Hello everyone, welcome back to another section still on division of base numbers. In the previous lesson, you were asked to finish up the solving 1431b7 divided by 23b7. You were asked to complete the solving. I hope you've done that. But if you've not done that or you've tried doing that and you are not too sure of your answer, let's see how we can solve that together. Dividing 1431b7 by 23b7. Now, remember I said you need to find out the limit of factors of b7. b7 limit are from 0 to 6. b7 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the numbers we have in b7. And I said you're going to use those factors to multiply with the divisor, which is 23b7. In this given problem, our divisor is 23b7. So I will take each of that factor, which is the limit of b7, to multiply with the divisor. So if I do that, I'm going to have 23 times 0 is 0, 23 times 1 is 23, 23 times 2 is 46, 23 times 3 is 102. I've been able to show you how we got 102 in the previous class. If you multiply 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is not a b7 number, so you divide 9 by 7, you have 1, remainder 2. Write the remainder as the answer, carry the 1 to the other side. Now 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 you carry is 7, and 7 is not a b7 number, so you divide 7 by 7, you have 1, remainder 0. You write the 0 and carry the 1 to the other side. Since there's no number at the other side, you need to drop down the 1. That gives us 102. The same is done in 23 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 is not a b7 number. Divide 12 by 7. You have 1, remainder 5. Write the 5. Carry 1 to the other side. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the 1 you carried is 9. 9 is not a b7 number. Divide 9 by 7. You have 1, remainder 2. Write the 2. Carry 1 to the other side and drop the 1. You're going to have 1, 2, 5. So this was what was done for also 151 and 206. Now let's divide 1431 by 23 all in b7. If you do that, 1431 divided by 23 in b7. This is a b7 number. 23 cannot go into 1. That we know. It also cannot go in 14. That we know. They'll be looking at 3 numbers. It can go in 143. And we have a number that is close to 143. We have a number that this is a number close to 143. This is 155. It's above 143. So this number is closer to 143. So, and that number was 4. 23 times 4 gave us 125. So I'm going to write here 4. 4 times 22 will give us 125. As we have it there, subtract. Drop down your 1. Then borrow from here. What to be left is 3. But the number you borrowed is 7. If we add it up, is 10. Take away 5 is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. 1 take away 1 is 0. That is gone. So what we are left with is 151. 23 cannot go into 1. 23 cannot go into 15. But it can go into 151. What number gives us 151? This is it. That is 23 times 5 gives us 151. So I'll write here 5. 5 times 23 will give us 151. And the answer will be 0 when you subtract. So our answer is 45. When you divide 1431b7 by 23b7, the answer will be 45b7. This is how you solve the problem. Now, this is how you solve using the long division method. And I want to believe it's simple dealing with this. The next method we'll be dealing with right away will be the conversion method. It's simple to deal with, but just pay proper attention. The conversion method. Let me quickly show you conversion method. This method involves you converting the numbers to base 10, then dividing it. If you're done converting and dividing, then you're going to change your answer back to base 7. So let me start with this example directly. Let's start with this example directly to convert that number to base 10. We're going to convert that number to base 10, and whatever answer we have, you see how simple it is to deal with. It's not a difficult problem. Convert 1431 base 7 to base 10. Also convert 23 to base 10 then divide the two answers you have, and you're going to see your answer coming out as easy as A, B, C. So pay proper attention and follow up the method. Let's convert to base 10 right away. Let's do with this one. 1, 4, 3, 1 base 7 divided by 2, 3 base 7. I'm going to convert this number first to base 10. 1, 4, 3, 1 base 7 to base 10. That will be 1 times 0, 1, 2, 3. That will be 1 times 7 to power 3 plus 4 times 7 to power 2 plus 3 times 7 to power 1 plus 1 times 7 to power 0. 7 to power 3 is 7 times 7 times 7, and that is 343. That will be 1 times 343 plus this 4 times 49. This is 3 times 7. This is 1 times 1. 7 to the power 0 is 1. This will give us 343 plus 4 times 49 is 196 plus 21 plus 1. When you add everything together, you're going to have 561 in base 10. Then convert 23 to base 10 also. 23 base 7 to base 10 will be 0, 1. 2 times 7 to the power 1 plus 3 times 7 to the power 0. This will give us 2 times 7 plus 3 times 1. This will be 14 plus 3, and that will give us 17 base 10. So I'm going to divide 361. I'm going to divide 561 divided by 17. If we divide 561 by 17, our answer will be 33. Let me clean here. Let me clean here quickly. Dealing with the conversion method. So that will also help you understand that there are two ways you can deal with this problem. And I told you in the previous slide, I said many textbooks don't have the division method, so you need to pay proper attention. And some teachers don't solve into this area because of the complexity involved or the technicality involved. So I'm going to divide 561 base 10 divided by 17 base 10. If you do that, your answer will be 33 base 10. If you divide, your answer will be 33 base 10. So now, therefore, convert 33 base 10 back to base 7, which was the original base we were dealing with. So I'm going to divide 33 by 7. Yes, 7 in that will be 4, which is 28. You'll be left with remainder 5. 7 cannot go in 4. That will be remainder 4. Put your arrow up. So your answer is 45 base 7. So if we divide 1431 base 7 divided by 23 base 7, your answer will be 45 base 7. This is the conversion method. So it's simple. The first thing, convert the two numbers to base 10, divide, get your answer in base 10, then convert your answer back to base 7. Let's deal with what the final example, so you have a better understanding regarding that. The final example here, let's try another example quickly. The same example we've solved using the other method. We're going to use that same example here in the conversion method. Let's try the example and see how it goes. Let's try the example. That is 4020 base 5. 4020 base 5 divided by 11 base 5. So convert to base 10. Convert to base 10. That will be 4020 base 5 to base 10. 0, 1, 2, 3. That will be 4 times 5 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 5 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 0 times 5 raised to power 0. This will be 4 times 5 raised to power 3 is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125, plus 0 times 25 plus 2 times 5 plus 0 times 1. This will give us, if we multiply this, we're going to have 500 here. We're going to have 500. 4 times 125 is 500 plus 0 plus 10 plus 0. This will give us 510 in base 10. Then convert also 11 base 5 to base 10, 0, 1. This is 1 times 5 to the power 1 plus 1 times 5 to the power 0. This is 5 plus 1. This will give us 6 base 10. 6 base 10. We're going to have here 6 base 10. So I'm going to divide 510 in base 10 by 6 in base 10. We're going to have a particular result. When we get that result, we'll convert that result back to base 5. Yes, that's how you solve it. So I'm going to divide right away 510 divided by 6. 510 base 10 divided by 6 base 10. Our answer when you do that will be, our answer when you divide that number, you're going to have 85. 85 in base 10. So I'm going to convert 85 in base 10 back to base 5. Back to base 5. If I do that, 85 divided by 5, that will be 17, remainder 0. 5 can also go 3 times, remainder 5 is 17. That will be 3 times, remainder 2. 5 will also not go in 3, that will be 0, remainder 3. Take your arrow from down upward. Your answer is 3, 2, 0 in base 5. So if you divide 40205 20 base 5 by 11 base 5, your answer will be 320. That was the answer we got when we used the other method. So this is how you go about your conversion method. So now you've known 2 methods in solving your division of base numbers. Carefully go through it. I tell you again, some teachers don't go into that. And if you're a teacher, carefully go into it and also get the better understanding to help you pass this message to your students in the class. Yes, don't just solve and stop at multiplication of base numbers. Also go into division of base numbers and help pass the message to your students. See you in our next other class. We shall be dealing with problems related to quadratic equations or equations. So see you in our next other class.